Hey baby loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how to tint your eyebrows at home. First I'm just going to pull out a spoolie and just make sure everything is all in its place. This is after I groom my brows with nair, and if you want to see that video, then I'm going to just put a little link in there somewhere in this video. But please disregard how my makeup is looking because it was hot and it was just a long day. But after I do my hairs, I'm just gonna use this Just for Men. I think I'm gonna put it in the video, but that's the one I use for it because my brows are kind of darker than the other ones. I didn't want to do just like straight black because that was going to be too harsh. I leave my concealer out without a top, so sometimes it's kind of hard to squeeze. But anyway, after that, you can just use a concealer to line up your brows. And if you don't want to use concealer, you can use Vaseline as well. But I find concealer is just easier for me to see how it's looking and where it's going. Putting this little FYI in there, if you don't use concealer, use Vaseline and anything else, please just line up your brows with some type of substance so it can cover up your skin, because this does stain because this is dye. So just a little input. Okay, so getting on with dyeing the brows, there's going to be two tubes that come in a box. There's going to be a color developer and there's going to be a color base. I only put a little bit of the color developer in there and then like a little bitty drop of the color base, and I use the brush, the end of the brush that comes in the box, and I just mix both of those up. Don't mind my little raggedy brush that I have because I couldn't find nothing else to apply this with, but you can just use anything like a makeup brush or eyebrow brush, and you just apply with that. I try to start at the end of the brow because that's where it's going to get darker, and then I'll apply the substance at the front of the brow later on, but you're going to see in the video. Okay, so right here you guys are just gonna see me pick up the spoolie so I can just brush in the product so it won't be just like a straight block in the middle, not in the middle, in the front of my brow. So yeah, give it a little gradient effect. Okay, so I'm back. I waited about like 10 minutes to wipe this off. Don't pay attention to me though, like do whatever your skin can handle, or just read the back of the box for the instructions. But anyway, afterwards I just took a cotton ball. It was kind of damp with water. I don't really like using makeup remover for this because it kind of, I don't know, it kind of lightens the dye, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I just took a damp cotton ball and I just wiped it off the direction my eyebrows grow in. Anyway, that is about it, y'all can just get some concealer to like clean it up a little, but that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll just talk to y'all later. Bye.